Hi, in this video we're going to show you a free tool you could use to quickly search your computer for files and folders. So if you're used to using File Explorer to do your searches, you know it could be kind of slow or hang or not give you the results you're looking for. So we're going to be using a free program called Wise JetSearch. So once you install it and run it, you'll have a simple interface here. You could decide which drives to search if you have more than one. Then you just put in your search term. So let's say Hawaii. So you can see it brings up the results rather quickly there. So it brings up folders and files that match, even stuff in the recycle bin. All right, let's try another one here. So let's do trails. Okay, so this found a folder called trails, and then you could double click on it to open it up. You could right click on it to open folder, copy file or folder, delete, check the properties, select all, and so on. All right, so now let's take off the S here because I want to show you something. So now you can see it found more items. So if you put in trails in this example with the S, it's not going to find the trail, so it's going to search for everything that you put in for the search term. It's not just going to find partial results. But you can see that it found trails with the S afterwards, even though you don't have the S on there. So hopefully that makes sense. And then you could open up your files right from here too if you want, and the same options. And there is a preview pane, but it doesn't seem to really work, at least for me. Maybe you'll have better luck. And then you could, do sorting if you want. And let's say you wanted to highlight everything here. You could right click, you could export to a CSV or text file. So let's do a text file. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Like so. It's kind of handy. So one thing you'll notice too after you install it, you'll have the search box at the top that kind of drops down when you put your mouse over there. So we do the same search. Then it'll open up the program with the search results. And then you could check or uncheck the box to run when the computer starts, and then also to run the quick search window when you run the JetSearch program itself. So you could turn this off if you don't want it, and then you could also come here and disable it from here as well. So as you can see, it's a pretty simple program, but it seems to come up with the search results pretty quickly, kind of like the Everything app does if you've ever used that. So if you're not a fan of the Windows File Explorer search, you should definitely give this a try. So I will put a link in the description, and then you could try out JetSearch for yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.